Hello everyone, welcome to English Bites with Anshita. Today we are going to learn an important topic of English grammar, kinds of adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Let's learn the 6 main kinds of adjectives with easy examples. Quality adjectives describe the quality, nature, or characteristic of a noun. Examples: beautiful, kind, brave, smart, happy. Example: she is a brave girl. Here, the word brave tells us what kind of girl she is. So, brave is a quality adjective. More examples: a beautiful flower, a smart student, a kind teacher. Remember, quality adjectives answer, what kind? Quantity adjectives. Now look at the basket of apples. Quantity adjectives tell us the quantity or amount of a noun. They do not tell the exact number. Examples: some, many, few, several, much, little. Example: I have many apples. Here, the word many tells us the quantity of apples. So, many is a quantity adjective. More examples: some water, much milk, little sugar, several books. Remember, quantity adjectives answer how much or how many in a general way. Number adjectives. Now look at the numbers. Number adjectives tell us the exact number or order of a noun. Examples: 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, last. Example: she is the first winner. Here, the word first tells us the order. Another example: I have 3 apples. Here, the word 3 tells us the exact number of apples. So, 3 is a number adjective. Remember, number adjectives answer how many or in what order. Possessive adjectives. Look at the book. Possessive adjectives show possession or ownership. Examples: my, your, his, her, its are there. Example: this is my book. The word my shows that the book belongs to me. So, my is a possessive adjective. More examples: her pencil, our classroom, their house. Remember, possessive adjectives answer whose. Demonstrative adjectives. Look at the pointing hand. Demonstrative adjectives point out or identify a specific noun. Examples: this, that, these, those. Example: that is a beautiful view. The word that points to a particular view. So, that is a demonstrative adjective. Easy trick: this, these, near, that, those, far. More examples: this pen, these books, that house, those mountains. Interrogative adjectives. Now look at the question mark. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns. Examples: which, what, whose. Example: which movie do you like? The word which asks about the noun movie. So, which is an interrogative adjective. More examples: what subject do you like? Whose bag is this? Remember, interrogative adjectives ask questions about nouns. Quick revision. Let's revise all 6 kinds. Quality adjectives describe quality or nature. Example: brave, beautiful, smart. Quantity adjectives tell quantity or amount. Example: many, some, much, little. Number adjectives tell exact number or order. Example: 3, 10, first, second. Possessive adjectives show ownership. Example: my, your, their. Demonstrative adjectives point out specific nouns. Example: this, that, these, those. Interrogative adjectives ask questions about nouns. Example: which, what, whose. Worksheet activity. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to solve the worksheet yourself. Read each question carefully. Underline the adjectives and identify their kinds. Complete all the exercises in your notebook. After solving the worksheet, check your answers from the pinned comment. Conclusion. Today we learned quality adjectives, quantity adjectives, number adjectives, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Keep practicing and try to use these adjectives in your daily conversations and writing. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Bites with Anshita. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.